Alright, so let's get started in creating a stored procedure using Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. We're going to create a database called test. Press OK. And then we're going to create a table called inventory with a few columns. Let me just add the name inventory. And the column names are going to be ID first. It's going to be of type int, not nullable. The second column is called name. In varchar 50, also not nullable. And then the third column is called price, is of type decimal, also not nullable. We're going to create a primary key using the ID. And the ID is going to be an identity column. We're going to Control S to save and create the table. We can close this. So now we have our table called inventory. Right click, edit top 200 rows. And we're going to add a few records. Let's add one record with the name as coffee. Price $5. The other record is green tea as the name, and the price $10. Espresso for the third record, price $6, and then just hot water $1. Okay, so we can close this. New query, select from, can't spell, inventory. You can see we have 4 records in this table. We're going to add to this statement right here. So we're going to select all records from inventory where price is greater than 3. So we should be getting back only 3 records after I run this right here. Alright, so we get 3 records. The next thing we can do is create our stored procedure. Right click on stored procedure. It's going to give us this template. There's a bunch of stuff on here that we just don't need. So let's start filling out this template. You want to hold down Control-Shift-M. You want to replace a few fields in the template. First one is author. I'm just going to put my name. And of course the procedure name. We're going to prefix it with SP lowercase. The SP stands for stored procedure. And then get all expensive drinks. Press OK. We're going to get rid of this. And get rid of this. And then we're just going to copy our old statement and just paste it right here. And then from here, we're going to click on execute. This is essentially going to create the stored procedure. So if we click refresh, we should see it, boom, right there. And if you want to execute your stored procedure, very easy. So type exec and then the name of the stored procedure, sp get all expensive drinks. Click on execute. And there you go. We have just created a stored procedure.